This is Kathy. Kathy is a good student. She's a member of the pep squad and is vice president of her class. This is Skip. Skip is young Kathy's boyfriend. They enjoy drinking malts and going to the drive-in. But one night, after a particularly heavy chocolate malt and a late-night viewing of The Blob, Kathy made a bad decision. Now she fears she may be pregnant. But don't go registering at Babies R Us just yet, Kathy. Here are some ways to avoid that unholy road to the delivery room. Try standing in front of your microwave oven. An hour or so should do it. Try to lure that pesky baby out with money and toys. Shine an apple on your stomach. Harder now, little Kathy. Vote for a Democrat. Invent a time machine. Get pregnant again and hope that the two babies kill each other. Take emergency contraception. The morning after pill should do the trick. Swing over the bar. Warning. These techniques will not protect you against STDs. Always wear a condom.